Upload and e-sign affidavits and undertakings. Submitting and digitally signing your affidavits and undertakings is an important step in completing your admission process. Lovely Professional University enables this through a secure e-signing workflow integrated within the LPU admission portal. Begin by logging in to the admission portal using your credentials or OTP. Once you reach the student dashboard and complete your enrollment, the Post-Admission Services section will be activated. Proceed by clicking on Post-Admission Services. Students can access the secure e-signing workflow integrated within the LPU admission portal using either a desktop or a mobile phone. Both follow the same procedure. First, let's take a quick look at how it appears on desktop. And here is the mobile view. Now, let's continue with the process using the mobile view. From there, tap on Document Submission and continue with the required steps. Within this section, select Submit Documents with e-signature. You may see multiple document categories, but here we will focus on digitally signing the affidavits and undertakings. At this stage, some details will already be auto-filled. You will be required to enter and verify your parent or guardian details. Select whether the signing authority is father, mother, or guardian and provide the necessary information. Ensure all mandatory fields are completed, including the grandfather's name, along with the correct mobile number and email address, as these will be used to send the verification and signing link. Next, you will be required to complete the family background details required for income declaration form. Provide information such as education level, occupation, current organization, designation, and annual income. Once all details are verified, click on Submit for e-verification. A digital signing link will now be generated in your LPU Admit portal, and same will be shared via SMS and email. Click on the received link to proceed with the digital signing process. Here, you will be able to preview the automatically generated documents with pre-filled details. Once you have reviewed the auto-generated documents, click on Next to proceed to the Signature of Applicant section. Click on Select Signature and select Aadhaar e-sign as your signature method. Then select I approve and e-sign using Aadhaar. Confirm the declaration to proceed with Aadhaar-based e-signing. Click on Apply and Preview. And then click on Sign and Finish. You will now be prompted to enter your Aadhaar number. Enter the details and click on Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to complete authentication and finalize your digital signature. This completes the process for digitally signing the documents from student side. After this, the parent or guardian will also receive a signing link via SMS and email. They can open the link and follow the same process. They will select Aadhaar e-sign, confirm the declaration, enter their Aadhaar number and verify using OTP. Once completed, their digital signature will be applied. After both student and parent signatures are completed, the documents will be considered fully signed. A confirmation notification will be sent via SMS and email. The signed documents will be available for your reference in the Post-Admission Services Document Submission section under Submit Documents with e-signature basket. No manual uploads, no delays. Just a fast, secure, and reliable submission process. Your undertakings and affidavits have been successfully e-signed. Please ensure that all remaining required documents are uploaded on the LPU Admit portal as per the admission guidelines. Thank you for watching. We look forward to welcoming you at Lovely Professional University.